Hello everyone, I'm Tracy. Today I'd like to introduce to you the Inclino-robot we've employed in this deep excavation project. As a new generation of automatic inclinometers, the measurement principle of Inclino-robot lies with IPI. It can completely replace IPI and SAA. The entire measurement process, data transmission, and report generation can all be fully automated, providing users with a convenient and efficient monitoring solution for slopes and deep excavations. The Inclino-robot is one of the key equipment in this project. In this excavation site of project with a diameter of 27.5 meter, 90 feet, and a depth of 62 meter, 203 feet, with borehole depths ranging from 67 to 70 meter, 220 to 230 feet. It's crucial to closely monitor the changes in the underground diaphragm walls and the soil to ensure the project's safety. To have real-time monitoring of the changes in soil conditions, we installed 8 sets of Inclino-robots capable of measuring up to 100 meter, 328 feet. These Inclino-robots cover the entire depth of the excavation and are set to measure every 4 hours, ensuring we can promptly detect and respond to any potential risks. Through the Inclino-robots, we can monitor in real time the changes in the underground diaphragm walls and the surrounding soil, including the inclination angles and the displacements. This data help us adjust construction plans promptly, ensuring the smooth progress of the project.